to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today I have Chef Jessie here. Hi Jessie, how are you?
Thanks for having me again.
Hey, it's fall season.
Absolutely. One of my favorite seasons of the year.
Wow, what do you do?
You know, I have to say my favorite fall activity is spending time with my family going apple picking.
Is there any farm that you would recommend?
Yes, we live in upper part of Rhode Island, so we like to go to Wojcik Farm in Blackstone, Massachusetts, which is about half an hour from us. They have a wide array of different apples, apple cider donuts, they have hay rides, and all different types of pumpkins, and it's a wonderful time for the family.
Different kind of apples.
Absolutely.
If I were an apple, what kind of apple do you think I am?
That's a good question. You know, I think you would probably be a Honeycrisp because
Why?
everybody loves you. Everybody loves
nice.
Honeycrisps.
If you were an apple, I think you would be Golden Delicious.
Golden Delicious,
Yes,
okay.
because you know you have very beautiful skin, and there's always some light, like
Thank
golden
you.
light
Thank you so
flowing,
much.
like on your face. And about our friend Justin, he's not here. I think he is Granny Smith.
Granny Smith, I think that's pretty accurate.
Yeah,
Granny Smith, yeah.
because he's a little bit pale. He'll be a good Granny Smith. So, anyways, speaking of apple cider donut at a farm, your apple cider donut, seriously, the 5-spice apple cider donut was the best apple cider donut I've ever had.
Thank you so much. I was glad to be able to share that with you.
Okay. So I wonder, let's say, last time when I make it and I still have some extra apple cider donut batter, is there anything we can do?
Absolutely. I'm glad you asked that question. If there's any leftover batter for that specific dough batter, you can absolutely use that to make a very nice muffin.
Oh, that sounds
a
great.
nice breakfast, a quick bread with a nice streusel topping on that. How's that sound? Sounds good,
I think
huh?
that sounds amazing. Let's do it. To make the batter for apple cider muffin, please watch our 5-spice apple cider donut episode.
So excited to be making apple cider muffins today with a streusel topping. First things first is we need to pull out the previously made apple cider donut batter from the fridge to warm up to room temperature, so it can be able to be scooped into the molds. Second, we need to make the streusel. So first thing you're going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Secondly, you're going to mix all of the dry ingredients together. Flour, sugar, brown sugar, in a bowl, mix them until they're completely combined. Then you're going to add the butter. It can be room temperature or it can be cold. Either will be fine. Next, you're going to combine them and with the rubbing method with your hands, rubbing them between your fingers. Once they're the size of peas, you can pour the dough onto the sheet tray and put it into the oven for approximately half an hour. Every 10 minutes, you're going to mix the dough, making sure that each and every side of the dough is cooked.
Hey, Jessie, those crumbles look delicious.
Thank you so much.
I want
they came
to
out
try.
great. What do you think?
Wow. This is kind of reminds me of the shortbread cookie.
Absolutely.
Wow.
It's very, very similar. Yes, absolutely.
It's good. So besides muffin, what else would you do when you make crumbles like this?
That's a great question. With this specific one, you can use it for many different things. You can put it on ice cream. You can make pies. You can put it on puddings. You can
put it on top of
cakes,
the pie.
On topping pie topping. Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. So
Oh yeah.
teamwork makes dream work. Why don't I scoop the muffin batter? You sprinkle some streusels on top,
Okay.
and then we can bake this.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right.
Yay.
All right. Just a little streusel on top.
A little bit streusel goes a long way.
This is a perfect project to do with a young child if you
Yes.
have one, or
I can imagine.
on the weekends if it's raining outside. Perfect activity.
And one thing I have to say is, when you fill the muffin liner, feel free to fill all the way up, because it's okay to have some we call muffin cap, but if you are making cupcake, then you can only fill the liner, I would say 70%, because you don't want the cupcake to be too big. Cupcakes should look like dainty and pretty.
Absolutely.
So whenever you are doing, always think about how you want your end product to look like. You want it to look rustic, or you want it to look very elegant. And is it breakfast treat or it's for afternoon tea? You have to think about it.
Absolutely. And the last one.
Yay.
There we go.
Okay, now this is ready. We are going to bake it in our oven in 350 degrees. A lot of time people ask me like, how long should I bake my muffin? The answer is bake until it's done, okay? And how do you tell if it's done? You can touch it if it kind of bounce back a little bit, or if you put a toothpick in it and it come out clean, it means your muffin is done. One of the trick you need to remember when you bake muffin or cupcake is in the middle. Let's say, if usually take 10 minutes for you to bake it, set your timer for 5 minutes and then rotate your sheet pan, bake it for another 5 minutes. That way you can make sure your muffin is baked evenly. It will come out really beautiful. So now, let's bake it. Ooh, Jessie, those muffins looks amazing.
I know, right? They came out beautiful.
I have to try them.
Oh, let's try it again. Wow.
Those are good.
Perfect
I love the crumble.
Perfect application. Right? Nice crunchy top. Tender crumb on the inside. Perfect snack.
With a glass of milk.
Oh, yeah.
So what I learned over the years working in commercial kitchen is the zero waste concept, right? Like you have leftover bread from today can be a delicious bread pudding tomorrow. Leftover donut batter can become delicious muffin tomorrow. So try this recipe, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.